busted. Just listen carefully right now. That's the sound of getting busted. This was one of my cooler walks. I went through a big bedding area, just a grassland between two forests. It obviously gets a lot of traffic. I never really hunt out there often. I might. It's probably not worth a shot. But I kept walking, and I came up on a pretty gruesome scene here. Nature always gets the biggest deers. That's what someone else said. And in this example, it's a pretty big deer. It's pretty nasty. Big old 10-point. I got the skull. I brought it home. It was all blue mold. It was nasty. That's what that area just looks like. Be hard to even see a deer back there. And that's a giant scrape. I don't know, you gotta zoom in right in on that tree, but man, that tree got messed up. It's a pretty big hoof. Oh, turkeys. Too many turkeys this season. I couldn't get in my tree ever. My trusty little decoy. My trusty sidekick. And thanks to my trusty truck, I could have never got this without you.